Tax deduction at source, or TDS, is one of the methods of collecting tax by the government. It was introduced with an objective to channelize tax payments by deducting tax at source. TDS is deducted at a prescribed rate by the person responsible for making the payment. The TDS module in Tally will make the statutory compliance process simple and easy to follow. Booking expense, TDS deduction, remitting TDS to the bank, challan reconciliation, issuing Form 16A to the deductee, e-TDS generation, TDS returns and other TDS reports are made available with self-help and easy pre-fill options for recording TDS related transactions. TDS percentages, deductee types and nature of payments are predefined in Tally. TDS percentages are applicable based on the deductee type and nature of payment. Tally will also allow you to change TDS percentage in case of lower or zero rate deduction. It goes a step further in providing TDS sections for all types of payments selected in TDS transactions. Enabling TDS for your company in Tally is a one-time process where you set up your company deductor details. The ledgers involved are party ledger, expense ledger and duty ledger. While creating a party or deductee ledger, TDS is enabled and the deductee type is selected. You can also furnish the deductee statutory information. Here you see how an expense ledger is created by enabling TDS and allocating nature of payment for the ledger. Similarly, tax ledger is created by enabling TDS and allocating the nature of payment. Here, selecting the option Any for expense or duty ledger will help the user to have a single expense or duty ledger for multiple nature of payments and allow the user to select the nature of payment during transactions. Now we will see how TDS is deducted while accounting the expense. The TDS details sub-form helps in assessing the TDS amount and gives a unique reference number for the assessed value of TDS, which is recalled in TDS payments. If you do not wish to deduct TDS while accounting the expenses, you can do that in an additional journal voucher and take the help of the TDS deduction option. This will assign the TDS to the respective deductee and applicable nature of payments. This looks all very simple, isn't it? TDS deduction and TDS helper are two pre-fill options that make the cycle of deduction and payment easy. Now comes the easiest part, making the TDS payment. With the TDS helper option, you can select the nature of payment and deductee type in the transaction and additionally select TDS section for the payment being made. In a single step, you can make a payment entry and print the tax challan in the government prescribed format. If this isn't enough, see how easy it is to generate and print Form 16A for each deductee. Keep aside challan reconciliation, which now comes with the Set Challan Details option for one-shot entry. For those filling TDS returns on electronic media, Tally also supports e-TDS. Have a look at other TDS reports and annexure generated using Tally.